So till now you might have seen like a variety of laptops on our channel in the past few weeks, but what I'll be showing you in today's video is completely next gen and I'm like super excited about it. So let's get started. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super fun guys, so make sure to watch it till the end. So guys, remember 1.5 years back when we got to see the first generation of dual screen laptops, it completely blew our mind. But today Asus is back with the next generation of dual screen laptops, and in the house we got our hands on the 2021 edition Asus ZenBook Duo, and this is their newest dual screen laptop, and let me tell you, it comes with lots of upgrades and improvements over the previous gen and is powered by Intel's newest 11th gen CPUs. And today in this video guys, I'll be unboxing it and showing you the laptop. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So here is our brand new 2021 edition ZenBook Duo dual screen laptop. Alongside this, the brand has also launched a Pro Duo series edition as well, and both these laptops are powered by Intel's newest 11th gen CPUs and are available in like different configurations and variants. The model we'll be reviewing today is UX482E ZenBook Duo edition. The laptop is actually available in two different colors. The one we have is the blue edition, comes with a 14-inch Full HD 1080p IPS touch display and also has a secondary ScreenPad Plus display. And as I've told you just now, it's powered by Intel's 11th gen variant, right? The one we have right now is powered by i7 1165G7 CPU and also has NVIDIA's MX450 GPU on board. That's it guys, these are all the specs of the laptop. So let's get started with the unboxing. So as soon as you open it, we've got our brand new ZenBook Duo 2021 edition laptop at the top. The laptop is actually available in two different colors. The one we have right now is the Celestial Blue variant. Let me just take it out and show you. It's a very compact 14-inch laptop, but not that lightweight also. It definitely feels a bit heavy. I'll just get back to the laptop in a moment. Along with that, you get a compact 65-watt Type-C power adapter for charging, a mains cord for the adapter, and a laptop stand which you need to fix on the bottom side. That's it. These were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you all a closer look at the laptop and then we'll talk about the design and the build quality. Alright, so that was our unboxing part. Now let me give you all a closer look at the laptop and then we'll talk about the design and the build quality. So here you go, this is how our brand new Asus 2021 edition ZenBook Duo laptop looks like. See, from my first impressions, the laptop definitely looks premium, but the design is like quite minimalistic and it's very similar to the usual ZenBook lineup of laptops. So on the front side, you just got the Asus silver logo and then you've got the similar concentric circles kind of pattern that you might have already seen on the other ZenBook series laptops. And if you ask about the build quality of the laptop is very good. It's like entirely constructed out of magnesium aluminum alloy material and very solid, and also has these beautiful chamfered edges on the lid that definitely give a premium touch to the laptop. Talking about the weight, the laptop might look compact from your first look, but it's actually not that lightweight. It easily weighs around like 1.6 kg, so definitely a bit heavier than the usual ultrabooks and notebooks. And it's around like 16.9 mm thick. Compared to the previous gen, you can definitely say that it's a bit thinner and lightweight, but compared to the usual ultrabooks and notebooks, this might be a bit heavier. Keeping that aside guys, what I'll do is I'll just give you a closer look on all the sides and show you all the available connectivity ports on this laptop. Starting off from the left side. Over here you've got two Thunderbolt 4.0 ports, and the same ports are used for charging as well as connecting some external displays. Beside that, you've got a full-sized HDMI port available, and you see this tiny grill to the edge of the corner. Well, this is the left-sided speaker. Now going to the front side, there is nothing over here. And going to the other side, this is the right-sided speaker. Both the speakers on this laptop are powered by Harman Kardon. And over here you got some LED indicators. This is the battery charging indicator, power indicator. There's a micro SD card slot. And beside that, you got a 3.5mm audio port. And lastly, a USB 3.0 super speed port. That's it guys, these are all the available connectivity ports on it. There's nothing at the back side. And here you go, this is how the bottom panel of the laptop looks like. Very clean design. You just have a single tiny exhaust vent at the center of the laptop, and you've got some rubber foot pads at the top and bottom and some information regarding the laptop. I haven't told you about the RAM and storage, right? The laptop comes with 16 GB DDR4 RAM on board and has 1 TB PCI Gen 3 SSD. That was our complete look at the exteriors. Now what I'll do is I'll just open up the laptop and show you how the interiors on it look like. So as soon as you open the laptop, right, the first thing you'll notice is this brand new hinge design. See, previously on the older Gen ZenBook Duo laptop, you only had like ergo lift hinge support. But on this brand new model, you have something known as ergo lift hinge plus active aerodynamic plus cooling system. See, what basically happens is, let me first tell you with the ergo lift hinge. See, whenever you open the laptop, right, the lid creates like a small gap on the bottom of the laptop, which improves the airflow and improves the typing experience of the keyboard and also enhances the audio experience. But that was one part. And since the laptop had like a second screen on the lower part, right, what they've done is, on this new model they've implemented this known as active aerodynamic cooling system, which like automatically tilts the screen up to 7 degrees and creates a gap between the screen also. And what this does is, this like greatly improves the cooling performance over there by almost like 49% as said by Asus. And this in turn improves the viewing experience of the second display and also performance of the laptop. Since the screen is now tilted by almost 7 degrees, right, you experience less glares, less reflections on the display, and offers like better visibility. That is awesome, right? So keeping that aside, guys, here you go. This is how our brand new ZenBook Duo dual screen laptop looks like. So first let me tell you about the display, starting off with the primary and the main display. So it's got a 14-inch LED backlit 1080p IPS display that supports 100% sRGB color gamut and has 400 nits of brightness and is also Pantone validated. Now if you talk about the bezels, it's got nano bezels on the left and right sides. They're quite thin, but you do have a bit thick bezel at the top where it incorporates a 720p HD IR webcam. So that was about the display. Now coming to the second display, well, this is called as the Screen Pad Plus, and Asus has also improved the software experience on it, called the Screen Expert 2.0. So the secondary display is a 12.65-inch ultra wide touch display, and I totally forgot to mention both the displays on it are touch enabled, so you can do a lot of stuff on it. So what I'll do is, before we talk about the display and all of its special features, guys, I'll give you a closer look at the keyboard and then we'll discuss about that as well. Now, since the laptop features a secondary display, the whole keyboard layout has been shifted to the lower half area, so it might be a bit new, especially if you're using these sort of laptops for the first time. But again, you'll get used to it as and how you use it. First, let me tell you about the keyboard quality. It's got a white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and the quality of the keyboard is very good. It does feel a bit crammed up because of the size and alignment, but again, you can't complain because you're getting a secondary display on it, right? Anyways, if you ask about the keyboard quality is pretty good. The quality of the keys on it are nice, feel tactile and clicky, and key travel is also perfect. And not to forget, I've told you that it's white LED backlit, right, so you can adjust the brightness of the LEDs as well using this F7 function key. Now coming to the touchpad, well, it's got a very small touchpad to the right of the keyboard, and you might not be that satisfied with this, but not to worry, the above touchscreen can also be converted into a touchpad for extra large experience. I'll come there in a moment. Talking about the touchpad, it's a glass covered premium touchpad. Quality is very good. It like easily recognizes all my inputs, gestures. I face no sorts of dead zones also anywhere. Only thing is, the space on it is a bit less. And coming down, you've got two dedicated mechanical keys on it. The quality of the keys is also very nice, feel tactile and clicky. So that was about the touchpad. So before I actually go ahead and explain all the special features that you can do with this Screen Pad Plus on the laptop, let me first tell you about the display quality. I'll be talking about the display quality on both the primary and the secondary display separately. So first let me tell you about the main display. I've told you, right, the ZenBook Duo comes with a 14-inch LED backlit 1080p IPS touch display, and the display quality is actually pretty good. It's got great amount of detail, text on it looks sharp and crisp. No matter you're reading websites or blogs, everything is like very easily readable, and the colors also look rich and vibrant. And since it's Pantone validated, right, you can even use it for productivity and creative sort of applications, as the color accuracy is also nice. And talking about the white balance was perfect, and dynamic range was also acceptable. And not only that, the brightness of the panel was also quite adequate at around 400 nits of brightness, so quite visible even in bright outdoor situations. So that was about the main display. Now coming to the secondary display, Asus is calling it as the Screen Pad Plus, and it's a 12.65-inch ultra wide display that features IPS level panel. But to be honest, guys, the display quality of the secondary display is not that great. It's not as good as the main display. They are saying it as IPS level only, but the contrast is not that good, and the colors also look like dull and not that vibrant. So mediocre kind of display. Again, I'm talking about the regular Duo model, guys. The story on the Pro Duo model is completely different. On this, the display is like mediocre, but definitely can get your job done because it's offering those extra features that no other laptop around this price range can offer. So before I actually go in depth and talk about the special things and features that you can do with this ScreenPad Plus on the laptop, let me quickly tell you about the audio quality. At the beginning, I've shown you the speaker placement, right? The laptop features stereo speakers on the left and right side, which are powered by Herman Kardon, and the quality of the speakers on it is actually pretty good, especially compared to the previous gen, guys. These days, Asus is definitely working on their audio segment on almost all of their laptops, and the audio quality is pretty good. The audio feels crisp and clear with good clarity, and the distortion is also quite minimum. The output is also quite satisfactory. Just check out these clips, you'll get an idea on the audio quality. Okay, so today we will be building a complete gaming setup, guys. Not just the gaming PC, that to around like 40,000 rupees budget. And let me tell you, this is going to offer you like crazy good performance. Let's get started. Alright, let's finally talk about the ScreenPad Plus. This is the main highlight of the laptop that makes you wanna get it. Compared to the previous gen, Asus has improved a lot, especially on the software and the UI. Now you have a control center like layout to the left side of the display, and the position of it is also adjustable. This thing offers you like everything you need at your fingertips. You can quickly adjust the brightness, toggle app navigator. There's a new link to my Asus phone feature using which you can connect your smartphone and even do screen mirroring on it. Enable or disable touchpad keyboard directly from here, access the app drawer, and lastly the settings. See, these are the built-in apps available on it. You can even add a lot more of your favorites and start using them on the go. You can dedicate the complete ScreenPad to one single app or even run multiple apps side by side just like this. For example, you can have Spotify running to the right side and keep taking notes to the left while your main work is happening on the primary display. Crazy part is you can even exchange and switch everything between both the displays with just a click of a button. That too, it happens like instantly. You can do these app alignments and organizations using touch as well, just like this. And the best part is you can combine both the displays and make them function as one single large display all the way from the top to the bottom. That is sick, right? I totally love this feature. See, these dual displays can be super useful and convenient for a lot of people and can offer you a variety of applications, especially for professionals like designers, content creators, and editors. It can make your work very easy as you can dedicate the top screen for monitoring purpose and set all your main controls and tools on the secondary display. So guys, this was just like an unboxing and in-depth overview only, not a full review, so I won't be covering the performance and battery part in this video. See, the performance is not something new, right? We've already seen plenty of Intel 11th Gen i7 laptops recently, so you can expect similar kind of performance on it. Not to forget, you have Nvidia's dedicated MX450 GPU with 2 GB VRAM, so yes, you can easily do casual 1080p gaming on it also. Well, I'll be stopping here for now. I'll be using the laptop for a couple of days and then I'll be sharing my complete review on it. In the meantime, if you have any questions that you'd like to know, just let me know in the comment section and I'll cover them in my full review. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to learn a lot. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.